We all love a good snack, right? But instead of reaching for something processed, let's talk about healthy snacks. They're like little boosts of energy and goodness for your body. Think of them as mini meals to keep you going strong all day long. Healthy snacks can help you manage your weight too. They stop those crazy hunger pangs that make you want to eat everything in sight. Plus, they give you the energy to power through your day without feeling tired or sluggish. Remember, healthy snacking is all about making smart choices. Choose snacks that are full of nutrients and low in unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt. Your body will thank you for it. You got this. Making your own snacks is easier than you think, and way cheaper than buying prepackaged stuff. Plus, you control exactly what goes into your food. No hidden nasties or crazy chemicals. When you make snacks at home, you can use fresh, whole ingredients. Think fruits, veggies, nuts, and seeds, all packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These good things keep your body happy and healthy. Ditch the processed stuff and take control of your snack game. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Ready to get snacking? Here are 3 simple recipes that are as delicious as they are good for you. These little bites are perfect for a quick energy boost. Dates are a natural sweetener and full of fiber. Oats give you long-lasting energy, and nuts and seeds add healthy fats and protein. 1 cup pitted dates, half a cup rolled oats, a quarter cup chopped nuts like almonds, walnuts, or cashews, a quarter cup seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, or sunflower seeds. 1. Throw everything into a food processor and blitz until it forms a sticky ball. 1. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls. 1. Store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. This parfait is a great way to start your day or enjoy as an afternoon pick-me-up. Yogurt is packed with protein and calcium for strong bones. Berries are full of antioxidants, and granola adds a satisfying crunch. 1 cup Greek yogurt, half a cup mixed berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, a quarter cup granola. 1. Layer yogurt, berries, and granola in a glass or jar. 1. Repeat layers until you reach the top. 1. Grab a spoon and enjoy. This classic snack is as easy as it gets. Veggies are low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Hummus, made from chickpeas, is a great source of protein and fiber. 1 cup chopped veggies like carrots, celery, cucumbers, or bell peppers. Half a cup hummus. 1. Wash and chop your favorite veggies. 1. Serve with a dollop of hummus. 1. Dip and munch away. Section 4. Smart snacking on the go. Life gets busy, but that's no excuse to reach for unhealthy snacks. With a little planning, you can enjoy healthy snacks anywhere, anytime. Pack it up. Pack snacks in reusable containers to take to work, school, or on the go. Portion control. Divide snacks into single-serving bags or containers to avoid overeating. Get creative. Think outside the box. Leftover chicken or fish, hard-boiled eggs, and fruit salads make great portable snacks. Remember, a little planning goes a long way when it comes to healthy snacking. Be prepared, and you'll be able to make good choices no matter where you are. Section 5. Listen to your body. It's telling you to snack. Healthy. Your body knows what it needs. If you're feeling sluggish or your stomach is rumbling, it's time for a healthy snack. Don't ignore those hunger cues. Start by making small changes. Swap sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea. Instead of chips, reach for a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts. Every healthy choice you make adds up. You've got this. Section 6. You are what you eat, so snack like a champion. Remember, healthy eating isn't about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with good food, and that includes snacks. Making your own healthy snacks is easier than you think, and it's a fun way to get creative in the kitchen. So ditch the processed stuff and start snacking like a champion. Your body will thank you for it.